Hi there, welcome to the channel. My name's Zach, and today is the start of our Croatia journey. We're gonna hire a van and load our bikes into it and then drive all the way down to Croatia. It should take about 2 days. I'm really excited to start this trip. It's been a long time coming. Okay, so this is a rough idea of the plan. So we'll leave England and drive on the first day down to Munich, where we'll spend the night. Then the second day we'll drive down to Croatia and stay at Zagreb. Then we'll get on the bikes and follow this rough route, island hopping and riding around Croatia, and then make our way back up on the interior back to Zagreb. And then this is basically a brief thing of what's to come in the trip. Alright, so we're at Enterprise. This is our van. We're going to take it now and then we're going to load the bikes up. Okay, so while we're loading the bikes here, I just want to explain that I'm not going to be filming us driving down to Zagreb because it's, in my opinion, fairly boring. It's just van driving, so there'll be little bits that I'll film, but not a whole lot. So I'll really only start filming properly once we're in Zagreb and once we're on the bikes. Okay, as you can see, we're all packed, and then it's basically just time to leave at 3 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. Really excited. Alright, so we're on our way now. It's nearly 4 o'clock and we're about to head off. Okay, so we're on the train now, waiting to set off. To quote a famous YouTuber, welcome to France. Okay, so it's now 11:30 and we got to our hotel in Dachau. So that's the end of the first day. It was very long, and hopefully tomorrow won't be so long. We'll start the day off by visiting Dachau.